Welcome to WeTransform. We transform various data to a unique target format that you define. So the first thing you have to do is to define your target format. It is what you want to receive. Give it a name, indicate what's in it and the format you expect, and define the attributes or columns you want to have. 4 or 5 attributes are enough for your first test. Those are really the columns you will want in the end. Attach constraints to each. Are they compulsory or not? Are they text, numbers, dates, and what exact date format you want? Once done, start transforming files to this target format. Add a source file that potentially is very different from your target format. AI will match the source attributes to the ones you've defined in the target format. If there are errors, you can correct them in different ways, such as fix with AI. Once the transformation is successful, you can repeat it automatically for every new file you receive. Feel free to explore our other videos for more details and enjoy using WeTransform.